Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing video. I'm checking out this three-piece suit. All right, this is Wellian. Look at that. So we got our tie right here. Hope I can remember how to tie a tie. We get this nice jacket here on top. This is, basically they ask for your measurements and they make it to your size. This pretty cool vest here. And then we have the pants. Okay, so this looks pretty nice. I'm gonna try this on, see how it looks. All right, my friends, well, actually this suit fits really nice. I'm really impressed with it. It's comfortable. It fits perfectly. It's not too tight. I had a suit before that was measured for me and it was really not comfortable. I could not move around and stuff on it like this. This is super comfortable. I think it fits pretty sweet, actually. I like it. It's a good, seems like a nice quality here. And yeah, it just turned out, I think, pretty good. I mean, it's not, it feels like breathable and I'm able to move and stuff still like that. And just if you need to like dress up a little bit for an occasion, something like that, this is a pretty good looking suit, I think. Decent quality. And yeah, I'm really impressed with how it is functional. The nice little vest in here. Also, leave it open or whatever you want to do. But yeah, pretty happy with how this one turned out. I think it's a decent little suit here. So thanks so much for watching this video, my friends. Hope you have a great day, and I'll see y'all next time.